You can't see them, but they're there. Oh, there's some lights. Oh, it's the Esperanza Rose!
Playing their kitchen dishes around.
So you were worried about people drinking on the lake?
Obviously, they're not drinking enough.
No, I'm saying, but this is the only contingent that's actually drinking on the lake. These 5 boats right here. Wow, 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 wow.
How's this guy going? He's way out of formation.
You're right. I think he's going home. Oh wait, the Esperanza Rose just went in low gear. She's making a turn. Oh, Auga.
It is the lead boat that went astray. They just let it run home. And the rest of them all got to pile on.
Right.
No, this is my dog.
What is that?
What's with the fucking Indian call? The tomahawk banshee yell.
Oh, ay, 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 ay.
Yeah.
That's how we do out here on the lake.
Seriously, you guys killed the Indians like 300 fucking years ago.
No, well, you know.
Leave them alone, dude.
That's apparently how it works.
You already massacred the fuckers. What more do you want? Seriously.
It's the we're having a good time call.
It's the American way.
It's the American way.
Yeah, baseball bat and a piece of apple pie.
Baseball bat and a piece of apple pie. What loves you? Something loves you.
I don't know, but that Indian loves me. And now the Esperanza Rose is going to crash into the bank because he's following that same boat that went, what the hell are they doing? Oh, I hope they're not doing like water ballet kind of moves here.
No, they're not. They're just look at the lead boats on the other side of the lake coming back up.
And they seem to be doing some more
You know what shocks me? Why do they turn around here? What's it about in front of our dock that's the turnaround point? They're like, oh, the Pecs. Take a right.